Welcome to eslmooc.com, Graded English Lessons. In lesson number 2 of our A1 grammar course, we will be looking at the contractions of the verb to be. A contraction is the union of two words to form a single word. For example, the words he plus is are joined thanks to an apostrophe and form he's. In spoken English, apostrophes are used very often as they give us a lot of fluency. Let's look at how to contract the verb to be in the affirmative form. I am, I'm. You are, you're. He, she, it is, he's, she's, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. Now let's look at how to contract the verb to be in the negative form. For the negative sentences, we have two options. In the first option, we use the positive form and add not at the end. For example, I am not would be I'm not in the contracted form. For the first person singular, we only have this option. However, with the rest of pronouns, we can use both options. You are not, you're not, you aren't. He, she, it is not. He's, she's, it's not. He, she, it isn't. We are not. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You're not. You aren't. They are not. They are not. They aren't. Let's look at some examples. I am a teacher. He is my friend. They are not brothers. You are not invited. It is not a dog. I'm a teacher. He's my friend. They are not brothers. You aren't invited. It isn't a dog. Now let's do some practice exercises. I will give you each exercise, and at the end of the exercise, some time to decide which option is correct, and then I will tell you the correct option. Exercise 1. Is Mr. Jones here? Yes, I, A, am Mr. Jones. B, I'm Mr. Jones. C, I'm Mr. Jones. B, I'm Mr. Jones. Exercise 2. Are you cold in here? Yes, I am. Aren't? B, aren't. C, aren't. Aren't you cold in here? Exercise 3. Is he your husband? No, he is A, he isn't my husband. B, he isn't my husband. C, he is not my husband. No, he isn't my husband. Exercise 4. The newsstand is on First Avenue. It's on Second Avenue. A, isn't. B, isn't. C, isn't. The newsstand isn't on First Avenue, it's on Second Avenue. Exercise 5. How is Susan? Is she okay? No, she is A, no, she isn't happy. B, no, she isn't happy. C, no, she isn't happy. B, no, she isn't happy. Exercise 6. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? Yes, it is. A, it's. B, it's. C, it's. C, it's. Exercise 7. I'm hungry, aren't you? No, I not. A, I am not. B, I'm not. C, I'm not. C, I'm not. Exercise 8. The forks are on the table, but the menus are A, aren't. B, aren't. C, aren't. B, aren't. Exercise 9. These chairs aren't comfortable, are they? No, they A, aren't. B, aren't. C, aren't. A, aren't. Write down in the comment section how many did you get correct, or how many mistakes did you make. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any updates, follow us on social media. Bye bye.